Python provides Boolean operators, also called logical operators, and, or, and not. These operators accept Boolean expressions as inputs and also outputs a Boolean value. Let's begin with the not operator, since it's the simplest. The not operation's output is the inverse of the input. Here's an example. Not true is false, and not false is true. The input can also be a variable. Here are some examples. Not X and not finished. Next, we have the AND operator. The AND operation has two inputs. The output of an AND operation is true only if both inputs are true. Otherwise, the output is false. For example, true and true is true, and false and true is false. And here are some examples with variable inputs. X and true, and happy and tired. Finally, the OR operator also has two inputs. The output is true if one or both inputs are true. For example, true or true is true, and false or true is also true. But false or false is false. Here are some examples with variable inputs. Full or empty, Z or true. Boolean operations are an essential part of flow control. For example, if some expression is false, Python may skip some lines. Python may repeatedly execute some portion of the program as long as some expression is true. Try running the simulator below to see how Python evaluates Boolean operations.